three dishes here to put in the freezer for another day. So they're great for lunch or for dinner. Like you know, I love to freeze things. So as you know as well, when you buy as a single person, everything's in for families of 4. So do 4 meals and freeze 3. That's the way to go. Anyway, hope this helps you out. We're back in the kitchen again today, and today we're going to do a vegetarian dish. I'll be the only one eating this because these guys here just like meat, so bad luck for them. But I find this very good. I picked up this when I was in Malaysia and when I was in China. I've adapted it, of course, to my own usual thing. So what we're doing is tofu today. So we've got a block of tofu just from the supermarket, cut onion, usual things, garlic, ginger. Going to use a bit of chili, a little bit of barbecue sauce, oyster sauce, and soya sauce. Doesn't matter if it's light or dark. That's one dish. So that'll be, marinate that and get that. Then we got which are tomato and egg and pepper. That's all you need. If you want to add salt, it's up to you. Then we're going to have rice. So it's 3 dishes for a feed. What I'll do is I'll make it up, and then my usual trick, I freeze it. And I'll have it again when I want it. But I enjoy this dish. I find it refreshing, and it's just a filling dish. It's really nice. You can throw vegetables in there. Generally, I throw a bit of spinach because my spinach is my favourite, but it's up to you what you want to throw in it, or you can just leave it like that. But it's very simple, very tasty, and you'll enjoy it. All right? We'll give it a go. You see me chop onions. I'll come back when everything's done, and we'll go from there. Now with your tofu, it's a block. I just got it from the supermarket, our local supermarket. I cut him down there, like so, and just cut him in half, quarters, like so. Cut him in one piece, same again, half, quarters, that's it. It's all done. Throw that in there, like so. That's it there. That's that done. Okay, we've got our tofu now all chopped up, the cubes. We get onion done, chopped, and now we're going to put it together. So all we're going to do is add a little bit of oyster. Estimation again. Oh, that'll do. Don't need too much. That's all you need. Put more if you wish, it's up to you. I put mine in an old sauce bottle, my soy sauce, because all you do is just give it a squirt. It's easy. Done. A bit of chili. I'll do. I like a bit of more chili, to be honest. A bit of that. Let that stay in there. Bit of garlic. Again, heaps of garlic. Don't be shy about it. All right. And then, of course, a bit of ginger. I'm going to put a heap of that in. I like the old ginger. And that's it. And all we do, a bit of squirt of BBQ sauce. That gives it a bit of a tang. That's it there. Very simple. Get rid of that. Just mix him up best you can. Alright, just keep going. Don't be shy about it. Alright. That's about right, I think. Alright, what I'm going to do is probably put a little bit of oil on that. So a little bit of cooking oil. Like so. That'll do us. And that'll sizzle up when we go and fry it. Alright. Now, you can put other food with this, seafood if you wish, or like a friend of mine put some mincemeat with it. I don't know why they do that, but anyway, to me I like this. I like the texture. I like it because it soaks up all the marinade, and when you fry it off, it's really, really nice with everything there. Alright, so we'll let that marinate for a while. They go together, and then we're going to come back and do the the eggs. We'll come and do that in a minute, but first of all, we'll fry that off. We'll let that marinate and we'll come back and do that. All right, actually, we'll get the rice on. What we'll do, remember the rice, your finger for your water, sit on top of the rice, and when your water comes up to there, doesn't matter what size your pot is, that's the perfect amount of water. All right, let's see what we can do. There, so there's probably 4 mils there. So we need 4 mils of rice, which to me is about that. About there. Quite a bit. Go and give it a wash, as you know how to do it. I showed you. Okay, we're back in the kitchen, and we're going to fry off this tofu. You marinate it for about an hour. That'll do. You can do it overnight if you want. So let's put power on the oven and the stove top. We want this pretty hot to start with. So we put a little bit of oil in there. Get the oil hot. That'll do us. That's what we need. Right. Ready to rock and roll, bit of fan, excuse the noise. And the idea is to fry this with the onion. So yeah, the onion makes a good flavour with this. Anyway, it'll get hot. And if you're a vegetarian and you like, or you want to try it, it's a really nice meal. It's very simple. You don't have to always be a carnivore. I want to be a herbivore now and again. So I find it very refreshing. The old body seems to appreciate it now and again. But like I say, I'm the only one that eats it here, so this is for my benefit, not for theirs. There we go. Get as much of that out as you can. Stir fry that up. Very, very simple. It smells good. From the old pan. Throw that in there. Don't forget about the onion. Throw that in there. Throw the oil down. Have a little treat. Let that fry up a bit more. Now the old tofu, she soaks up all them flavours, which is really, really cool. So that's a bit of a point. Actually, if you've got tofu and you find it's got a bit of moisture in it, put it over the sink, squeeze that moisture out. Don't have to crush it, just squeeze a lot of the moisture out. If you do find you've got one that has moisture, and then when you cook like this, it'll soak up all the flavours. It's just spot on. Thanks for that. Go away. That's all I do. Very simple. That's pretty well it. Up. Get ready. Dish it up. Get on, keep it hot. Crack the eggs in the bowl. All right. Add your pepper. As much as you like. I like a lot of pepper, so a lot. Don't be shy to what you want. Now if you want to add salt, it's up to you. I find that's enough. And all we're basically going to do is put the tomato in there, which is just canned tomato. If you've got fresh tomato, it's good, but this is already done. And all we're going to do is heat it up and then cook the eggs in there. A bit of a whisk. Like so. And that's all you have to do. Very, very simple. Just whisk him up. Heat this one up, which is doing quite well. Now all you do is just pour it in and whisk it around. Getting hot though. Come on, heat up. That's it, here he comes. all you're doing. Just mixing it in. Put an egg into the juice. That's all you're doing. Alright, you can make it stringy if you want, but I prefer to do it this way. It's up to you what you want to do. And that's it. All you do is just cook that through. Comes right. There we go. Into here. That's the tomato dish. Here's your tofu. Alright, so generally what I do is that's the 3 dishes, which comes up a real treat. So I'm going to do in there. It's cool. I'll just scrape out all the bits. No point washing it away, you want to eat it. Alright, so what I do now, don't do that, is I get myself this. So I give myself a bit of tomato, the juice, and 1/2, like so. It's tomato and egg and pepper, that's all that is. If you want to put salt, like I say, you can change anything you like. It doesn't have to be what I've made. You know, I've seen this made with chili and mango. They're the onion, of course. And that is my lunch. So they won't eat this, so I get to eat this another day. I'll probably have some for dinner tonight and might even have it tomorrow for lunch, and then I'll say that'll be the end of it. But that's my tofu with rice and tomato and egg with a bit of pepper. So like I say, guys, don't ever trust a skinny chef. Don't ever be shy to experiment, and please like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and thanks for watching. Hope it helps you.